Hello everybody and welcome back to Beltmatic. I'm the Harbinger, and Beltmatic is a game heavily inspired by shapes. You can see that the central processing unit here wants you to deliver stuff to it, but it's not shapes this time. This time it's numbers, and you get numbers by doing math, and that's just right up my alley. And yeah, so the last episode we started making these 144s. We made these belts of 66 and 44s, which is going to help us upgrade lots of stuff. But we still need a lot more 2s, and we still need a lot more 15s than what we are producing. So we already have full belts of 66 and 44, so we need to make sure we can make more 2s. The easiest way to make more 2s, because we need 2,500 more, is basically just to make an extractor over here and yeah, what you call it, hijack these belts and now deliver a lot more 2s over here. And for these guys, I think it's okay. We are kind of delivering a full belt anyway, and we need to wait until we have delivered 2,000 more of these, so we are actually kind of on par with this delivery as well. Then it is 18s. So our current 18 factory is coming from over here. It has prioritization to deliver over the 36s, but we aren't really adding enough 3s into the mix here, I think. Oh, it's a mishap over here. It didn't deliver, so only half of the factory was used. That explains it. Okay, but I was thinking to take this thing over here and doing like this, because this can supply a lot more 3s than it is currently doing. Same thing with you. Come over here and deliver a second line of 2s over here. That way, if the demands for 2s is so much larger because we're delivering 2 lines of 3s, they can still deliver on that capacity. And this should at least improve the production of 18s a little bit. It's not enough to fill the entire belt, but it's a major improvement, I'd say. So we are soon done delivering the 144s. After that, it's going to be 257s, and that's actually a pretty funny number, because 256 is one of the bit numbers, so we can probably just make 256s and add 1, and that should be probably the best way to do it. Or we could make 25 5 times 5s times 10 times plus 7. That's also a way we can do it. But yeah, probably doing it. We can also unlock 8s now, or you unlock 7s. Subtractor unlocked. Cool. We can now harvest 8s. So let's see. 64 times 8 is that 256. I think it is. That might not be right. Let's just double check that before we are doubling down on that idea. I think this is 256, right? 8 times 8 bits stuff. No, that's 512. So it's 60. Yeah, of course. Derp math when your camera is always hard. It's 64 times 4, because 6 times 4 is 24. Yes, that makes sense. Okay, so we can still utilize the main idea, I think. We have 8 here, we have 1 there and 4 there, and this was what I was supposed to do. Okay, so we take... where is the copier? You are here. We can utilize this thing, right? Copy yourself. Yeah, we can utilize this one again. Cool. Okay, we do this. Swoop. And it's here. Okay, so 8s, 1s, and 4s. 4s, you are coming in over here. 8s, you are going in over here, and you're also going in over here, and you are also going in over there, and over there. This should be 256. Yes, and then we take that into one of these simple additioners. Like that. 256, you come over here, and these ones are coming from over here. And this is 257. It's going to be reproduced very far away, so we can do this, and drop it in between over here. I can't really imagine that there is any more elegant way to produce these 257s, but there might be. Let's see. No, if you add the numbers together, it's 14, so you can't. So it's not divisible by 3. I mean, it's one of the power 2 numbers plus 1, so it's probably a prime. But it's not probably a prime, but it might be a prime. So it's probably hard to make it any other way than to do this. And to be fair, I think this is a pretty neat way to do it. Just recognize that it's a power of 2 thing, and oh, maybe we can get that sometime. You can get to the power of thing and just 2 to the power of what's it, 7, and yeah, add to it. Cool. And yeah, now we are almost filling the entire line. We are actually filling the entire line here. No, we're not filling the entire line. We might be able to if we do something like this. Okay. Yeah, extractor upgrades, awesome. And we are really soon at belt upgrades as well. That's pretty neat. Now, 378. Okay, that's not something I take in my head, but we can do that thing, and now we no longer need 1s and 2s. That's a thing. Okay, let's work on addition here before we think too much about anything else. We still have a little bit of time until we have delivered 1,000 of those. Okay, so 73, that's like 72 plus 1. So we need 8 and 9. Can we extract 9s yet? I don't think we can. I think that's one of the things we are getting pretty soon. So we can do we still need 66? We still need 66, so we can steal that. Do we need 52s? I don't think we need 52s anymore. Okay, so 52 plus 21, right? That's 73, and that's the number we need. It's what plants crave. Let's see, we do that. take them over here. We're gonna utilize these guys in another simple addition addition scheme, and then we need to also find a way to produce 21 over here. Is there an available 7, or do we need to make 7s out of these 5s and 2s? Let's make them out of those 5s and 2s. That's easy peasy. We do it like this. Ah, no. I lost it. And the 5s come in here. And where's the multiplication thing? Here is an easy multiplication thing. Bring it over like that. And we are putting that in over here. Like that. Okay. No. Okay. Stupid. Okay, that should be 73. We're gonna do this and that and put it back in there. All right. Okay, working on you, working on all of these, 219, 378, and upcoming number 324. Okay, so I think a decent strategy for us to move on isn't just to think of every number popping up as something we are just going to solve with everything we can get immediately nearby. I think we need to just make a strategy to how can we make. Let's just start by making a lot of lines that produce 100 by adding different kinds of 10s together, maybe. Because I think it's just gonna make a lot more sense to be prepared to make hundreds in different kinds of way. So, for example, we can do 5s and 2s here. Okay, so let's see, we do this, and then there is a second line of numbers not present. Like that, and then the 5s can also be delivered something like this. Okay, so the reason we're doing this is that we also want to do this again. we only need half of this. And pert half of you into here, half of you into here. And yeah, this produces 100. We could of course just fed everything into the same belt, because it's multiplying by itself. Anyway, having a way to produce hundreds is a good idea, since everything, because then we can just like solve everything by having 3 times 100 and adding 7 to 8, which I think is an easy way to solve issues. And we have unlocked subtractors. So let's see, that's basically A, B, A minus B. Okay. So for example, when we now are supposed to make 324, that could, for example, be 25 times 13 minus 1. Let's work on that. I think that seems like a nice thing to do. So we need 13, 15, 19. I don't think we're making 13. 13 is pretty easy though, so we should probably be able to do that. Let's see. You are supposed to make 25s. You know, when the number is itself, it's gonna be a lot easier if we just do it like we know it's the same number. We just do it like this. So this guy's job is to produce 25s. Okay, and then we need 13, which is basically 3 times 12 plus 1. Is that the best way to make 13? I think it is. No, times. We need multiplication. Easy multiplications here. Okay, thank you. Actually bring this thing. Okay, over here. 3 times 4. I declare a thumb war. Go over here. You come here. And we need addition, which we have over here. Like that. You can come in there and make that thing happy, and you come over here. Okay, this is 13. Now we're gonna do it slightly more complicated. We are going to go over here. And you are coming in here. Let's just take you down instead of up. You guys are coming over here. Did you not want to go through? Okay. So this should be 325 if my math isn't wrong. Okay, you guys need to be allowed to go up. And then we need to use these subtractors. Okay, so we want A's to go on top and B's to go to bottom. Let's do it like this. Oh, you know what this looks like? This looks like a centipede wearing lots of shoes. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, let's focus back up. And you know what? It still kind of looks like a centipede with a lots of shoes. It's just more depth added to the animal now. Okay, zoop, like that, and that should be 324. Now I don't remember if that was what we were supposed to make or not, but we are at least making this. Let's see, is that the correct thing? Yeah, it is. Okay. Then let's do something like that. Bring it over here somewhere. And we don't need twos anymore. So let's remove this thing over here and deliver it over here. Okay, so yeah, that worked pretty good. We probably can expand on this a little bit more. So let's just do this here. And yeah, we are now utilizing all of the numbers we are producing. There is almost no backlog. Or it's like some weird kind of belts were readjusting, so we have some kind of flow over here. But yeah, I think it's fine. We can of course do like this and do something like this to just make sure we are feeding more numbers into the thing. And yeah, we can probably do even tighter utilization of the space here if we do this. And there, and we can do all of this once more. And then it might be the amount of 13s making stuff happening. But then of course we also need more 12s. Let's just cheat 12s over there. Give them a little shortcut. So we can also give these 13s another shortcut. And of course that the output also come over here. Yeah, okay, now this belt is full. Cool. Nice. I like multiplication. It's so much easier to do than addition here. Okay, let's find something more to work on. So we are doing 73. We are soon going to get the payout for that. I guess we could work on 29, just increase the power of subtraction. Do we have any good way to get to 29? That's like 30 minus 1, but I was hoping to get something easier. Maybe look at something else. No, we need to do that. 29 isn't that hard. Lots of 5s over here. 5s and 4s, that's what we need. So 29, that's 5 times 4 plus 5 plus 4. So let's do it like let's do a multiplication array over here. And we can now do an upgrade. Let's just do that immediately. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, that's the 4s. Then we need the 5s. And yeah, remember, you can copy this to make it go faster. So you probably should. Come in here. They will output 20. Now, that's that. Then we also need to do addition, and I mean, we do have addition over here. So let's just copy this thing. And we are doing it like this and like that. Okay, so 4s are coming in there and in here. 5s are going there. And there. These things coming up here, and these things here coming in here. That's 29. It could probably also have been done with subtraction, but now we did it with multiplication and addition instead. I totally missed. We were supposed to go down. Even 3 further down here. Scoop. Like that. Okay. And let's see, is the 29 coming out of here? No, because something is amiss. We're not sending 5s there, actually. And something like that. $29s. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I think we did a decent amount of progress this turn as well. Made loads and loads of 324s here, just utilizing the fact that 13 times 25 is is 325, and subtracting 1 from that is an easy way to get to 324. Let's see, is there anything else we care about doing before we call it a day in this episode? I think we are good for today. It's the episode has gone for 30 minutes already. So yeah, I think this is okay for now. I'm starting to get a little bit tired to doing all of the multiplications in my head to find out how to get to specific numbers. So I'm going to take a little break now. But yeah, if you like this playthrough of this game, please give me a like and a comment in the section if you want to see more, and subscribe if you regularly enjoy my content. It's much appreciated, and it shows that you could be interested in these kinds of games as well. And Harbinger, this has been Beltmatic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.